Are you getting older by appearance rather than age? Do you want to look charming and attractive like a young person, but you don't want to make any extra effort? Many people want to look younger and more beautiful, so they use artificial methods such as injections and plastic surgery. But it is severely harm their bodies from the inside. As a result, people with resources and the ability to pay for such treatment are also looking for non-invasive ways to look younger naturally. Hi there, and welcome to the Master Vitality series for another new installment on staying fit and healthy. My name is Dr. Helen Tong, and I'm thrilled to be on hand today to inform you about those special breakfasts that also serve as anti-aging remedies. All you have to do is eat breakfast every day and you will automatically look younger and more attractive. What could be better than eating breakfast with this advantage? It is like receiving a blessing, so let's dig into it. The number one breakfast item on my list is fruit smoothie. Fruit smoothie are a one-stop shop for looking younger. They contain antioxidants which are beneficial to the skin. Your skin cells will be transformed, giving you a younger appearance. Smoothies are also an excellent way to stay hydrated, which will again benefit your skin. Blend in hemp seeds, avocado, or peanut butter for a boost of omega fatty acid and vitamin E to promote skin health and inflammation. They are simple to make in the morning and taste super good. The second breakfast food on my list is avocado toast. Green fruits are a good source of monosaturated fatty acids, which are needed to prevent premature skin aging. So it is good news for avocado toast fan. You should eat it every day without hesitation. Avocado contain omega-3 fatty acids, which can help improve skin dryness, and moisturizing your skin is a must if you want to appear younger. Chia seed pudding is the third breakfast option on my list. Chia seed pudding is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. This is why many dietitians recommend it as a healthy breakfast food. This is high in essential nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acid not only reduce inflammation, but also keep the skin moist, which is essential for getting younger skin. According to a 2012 study from the Ohio State University, omega-3 fatty acid consumptions can help white blood cells avoid shortening tiny segments of DNA, known as telomere. Again, aging is caused by telomere shortening, though eating chia seed pudding for breakfast can make you look younger. The fourth options on my list is the most affordable and widely consumed breakfast food. Yes, I'm talking about eggs here. Having eggs for breakfast is a wise decision. It doesn't matter what type of eggs you prefer to eat, whether fried, boiled, or scrambled, it is unquestionable a perfect breakfast meal. It is because eggs contain vitamin D and are high in protein. Vitamin D will shield your skin from UVB rays. Because our body capacity to produce vitamin D decreases with age, it is critical that we get it from food sources. Protein is also important, and those who consume low-protein diet have been shown to have more prominent wrinkles. You can also combine kale and bell pepper with eggs to add flavor and vitamin C, which will help to brighten your skin. The fifth option on my list for breakfast is fruit juice. Fruit juice are high in nutrients. They can provide numerous advantages. You can drink mango, orange, or any other juice. It is determined by your mood, taste, and vitamin requirements. They will assist you in staying hydrated, and hydration is critical for moisturizing skin. Spinach and mushroom omelet is another amazing option for breakfast. On your breakfast table, spinach adds vitamin C, eggs provide protein, mushroom offer vitamin C, and D. All these are extremely beneficial for anti-aging. And you won't believe it, how delicious their omelet is. The 7th breakfast food that I suggest you consume is tofu scramble. Tofu contains zinc, which aid in cells repair and prevent free radical damage in the body. This can benefit your skin as well as every cell in your body. Add some vegetables and avocado to the mix, and you have got a great source of antioxidants and phytonutrients to protect your skin. The 8th breakfast ingredient that should be on your table in the morning is tomato. Light can destroy lycopene in the skin. Lycopene found in foods such as tomato may help to reduce damage. Try topping with eggs with tomato sauce or adding slice to avocado toast. Option number 9 is blueberries. Blueberries are high in polyphenols, which have anti-aging property for the skin. Indeed, many researchers believe it is an element that acts as a sunscreen protecting your skin from the sun's UV rays. They go well with yogurt or as a topping for an oat bowl. The last breakfast food option that I have brought to you is sweet potatoes. Everyone enjoys sweet potatoes. Eating such a delightful breakfast will undoubtedly boost your mood. They are high in vitamin A and C and have a desirable option if you want to prevent wrinkles and brightening your skin. They are also high in antioxidant. One thing that I want to mention here is, please never skip your breakfast. Never leave your home without eating anything. If I tell you about my personal life, I can confidently say that I have never skipped breakfast in my life. My mother used to monitor my eating habits, and eating breakfast became a habit for me. She taught me to never leave the house without first eating something. Breakfast, according to her, is such an important meal because it provides you with the energy you need to focus on your daily tasks. And she is correct. When you eat, your mind feels at ease and secure. It will help your body to remain calm and relaxed. Suppose you did not eat breakfast and are now at work or school where you need to pay attention and exert mental effort. But hunger is bothering and distracting you. Even though it is not lunchtime, you are hungry and want to eat. This situation can be extremely inconvenient, so you should be well prepared for your day by eating breakfast. Breakfast has generally helped me in maintaining my energy levels throughout the day. Whether you are working with your mind or showing physical performance, you must have eaten a well-balanced breakfast. If you are mom watching this video, make sure your kids take breakfast every day. Children are relatively easy to train. For further help and discussion, please reach out to us. Check out the description box for details to set up a consultation with us. We are available and happy to help you. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Also, don't forget to watch other videos on our playlist. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!